Okay guys, I'm flying the Nazgul5 today that I got from Chris Justice. It's awesome quad. I mean, it is awesome. I'm amazed at how well this thing flies. I'm going to put my PIDs and my rates, some screenshots of it, and my and how much deadband I run and all that in screenshots at the end of the video in case anybody's interested.
Never met a match I couldn't handle. No one else could ever hold a candle. Get ready for a battle, 'cause you know that I was born for this. I was born for this. Baby, I was born for this. I was born for this. Never met a match I couldn't handle. No one else could ever hold a candle. Get ready for a battle, 'cause you know I was born. I tell you, I was born for this. Ain't nothing gonna stop me now. Light a match, let it go. The fire catch, explode. Blow your mind one more time. Hurricane running through my veins. I'm buck wild, honey child. Ain't a line that I won't cross. This is the payoff. Oh! Oh! This is the payoff. Oh! Oh! Bright lights This is the payoff. This is the payoff. I won't let anyone get in my way. No one can.
Holy shit, guys, I'm in love with this drone. Damn, this drone flies even better than my Marmotte does. Let me see if I can get the camera out of here without turning it off maybe and show you what I'm working with. Hold on, this camera's hard to get out of this TPU mount. I'm having to try to slide it out sideways. Okay, guys. Oh, let me unplug it. This, I gotta set the camera down. I'm all shaky after that flight. I hope you guys can see this. I don't know if I got the angle right, but this is the drone I got from MD95 TSI Chris Justice. It is the iFlight Nazgul5. I made a couple of changes to it. One thing is the tune that was on it wasn't quite right for me, so I put my own tune on it, and I had to lower my rates quite a bit because it flips and rolls a lot faster than my Marmotte did because it don't weigh as much. And the camera field of view was different. I just couldn't get used to it, so I ended up putting my micro Swift run cam in it. This little orange camera right here. And now it's just, I mean, it's perfect. I got more field of view up and down, and that's what I'm used to. And I'm running the Ovonix 1550 batteries on it. It's what and these two used ones that y'all had sent me, my YouTube brothers had sent me. I still got two of those that's still good. The rest of them have went bad. Anyway, that's what I'm running, and the 4.8 pitch props, 2208 motors. Holy moly, guys, that thing is awesome. It is awesome. Chris Justice, if you're watching this, I love you, brother. That's the best present you could have ever sent me. I'm gonna try to take good care of this thing, man. And I'm gonna do like you said. If I break this frame, I'm gonna use that new frame you sending me, the lifetime warranty one, and put all these electronics on it because, man, this thing flies sweet. Holy moly, I don't see how you didn't want to keep this drone. It flies so good. Now, it is kind of battery hungry. I only get about 2.5 minutes of flight time, or 2 minutes per battery, something wrong in there. I'm not exactly sure, but I know it's amp hungry. Them 2208 motors, they suck up the juice. But man, it sure is fun to fly. Alright guys, that's it. Y'all have a great day. Alright guys, first off, I'm running Betaflight 4.1.3. In the configurations tab, I've got the motors reversed right here. I'm running 8K and 8K, and I got the accelerometer on, and air mode is turned on all the time. I'm running D-Shot 600 with a 6 on the motor idle and 180 degrees arming, and that's basically all they are in the configuration tab. Now the next thing we need to look at is the receiver. I may be a little odd, but this is what I like. I run an RC deadband of 23 and a yaw deadband of 23. Now this will actually change your rate, your degrees per second that you flip and roll. But what this will do, this will really smooth out. You don't want her to go above 23, but 23 seems to be the sweet spot for me. When I fly, I get nervous and my thumbs twitch back and forth, and it shows up in my video pretty bad. And when you got this set at 23, it pretty much smooths all that out. Next thing we want to look at is the PID tab. These are my PIDs. I got a 70, 70, 90, 45, 45, 120,
38, 38, 20, and 22. And feed forward I run 25, 25, and 38. Now I know on my eye here I run pretty low, except for the yaw. On the yaw I want it to be stiff, because it's just the way I fly. But it messes me up if it turns too easy in the yaw. But on the roll in the pitch, I run a real low eye because my quads just handle good, and I want it to be real flowy. I don't want it to be all stiff. And this just seems to work really good for me. And let's see what else. Oh, and I run on the anti-gravity of 7.5. That will boost the eye a little bit when you're coming out of dives, I believe it is, or something, or when you're punching. I mean, when you're punching out or something. Anyway, but it all seems to work for me. Now the next thing we're going to go to is my rates. I run a .83 for the roll and pitch, and on the yaw I run a 8 or a .8. That's my RC rates. On my super rate I run a .79, .79 on the roll and pitch, and on the yaw I run a .70. And on the RC Expo I run quite a bit of Expo. I don't like a linear curve. I like it to be real smooth on the sticks right in here, and it really is with the way I've got mine set up. It's pretty forgiving. And my maximum degrees per second is 615 on the roll and pitch and 440 on the yaw. And I still have snappy rolls, but yet I can do a smooth one if I want to. I notice when I have my rates too high, I just can't hardly do the smooth stuff anymore. And that's basically it. No, wait a minute, there's one more of the filters. But all I've done on my filters is moved them over 2 notches to the left. I mean to the right. Less filtering, 2 notches over. And that's basically it, guys. Y'all guys have a great day and enjoy. Thanks for watching.